Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold. Market is still open and in few hours it will close. So sorry I didn't upload my video yesterday because I had something important to come, and even I made the video but I didn't upload, so it was too late to upload it. All right, and today we start. Let me share my screen with you. And tomorrow is analysis for 28th of September, and market is still open. So we are in 27th of September. And as you can see, the gold is coming very sharply to the downside, and it has broken the main support area around 1885 area. And now next stop is most likely around 1800 towards 1800, 1810, 1800. That's the next stop. Because as you can see in the daily, there's a fair value gap here. And you can see that it has broken the Asian low. And it went all the way to the downside. Very good trades today. I hope you made good profit today. And it's still going down. And the next target could be around here, around 1870. And after that, further to the downside. Let's see. This daily fair value gap, and in 4 hours, this fair value gap. And as you can see, the Dixie has broken this area and retested, and the sharp move to the upside. And as you can see, the Dixie, let me show you the screenshot. If you trace back in 1 hour, you can see there's a fair value gaps here, and market Dixie went to the upside. It even have broken this level as well now. In fact, it has broken. Let me see. It has broken this level. And now it's heading towards this level. And let me see if that's right. Yes. So it's heading toward this level. And once that level is broken, we can expect this move to the hair. Right. Also, I want to share with you some important rules on in every video, so that you make sure you follow these rules before you take a trade. The rules are: before you take a trade, make sure you know and understand direction of the trend, lot size, MTF or multiple time frame analysis, any other probability indicators. Make sure when you take a trade, it's high probability trade, and make sure you put stop loss as well. So that's why these are some important things you have to remember, but there's a lot of other things you have to remember. So that's it. And now going to gold. It have broken all the levels, as you can see now, and shooting to the downside. Okay, it is a 4-hour chart, and this this is a very small rejection area. This is a small rejection area, small rejection area, and fun. This is the end. So it's very straightforward. Right. I recommend use small lot size unless your account allows, because if in case it bounce back and you never know, then you may end up blowing your account. So use a reasonable lot size. And let's take look at GBP JPY. Eventually it came to this level and went back to here. This is the level as well. And it's currently rejecting from here. Now you already got the levels here. And let me put another level here. So once the market, if this level is broken, especially this level, and we expect the market here from here, if this is broken, let me make it a zone, and then you can come down all the way up to there's a fair value gap here. So very straightforward. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye bye.